The other day I found a Samsung 32-inch TV in the garbage. I took it home hoping it would work right away. It didn't. It did, however, receive power, and it had a light that turned on, and it played a little song for me, which was nice but not helpful. So I decided I'd take it apart, starting with the screws underneath the stand and then around the edge of the clamshell itself, making sure to place them organized so I can get them back in. Then I took off the clamshell and revealed the circuitry. On the right side we have the logic board, which controls what's on the screen and the inputs, and on the left side is the power board. And on this board I spotted the problem. The unit has a good capacitor with a flat top like this one, and a bad capacitor with a bulging top like this one. A clear sign of a bad capacitor is a bulging top. There was only one. So I decided to take off the board after reading what the capacitor was, 160 volt and 47 microfarad. The board is now on my bench. I circle the contacts that I'm going to be removing and then short them with an insulated screwdriver for no surprises. Now I have it on my desk and I'm getting my supplies ready. I suck off the excess solder and then get it so I can access both sides, heating up the contacts and then removing it. I visit my local electronics store and buy the same capacitor at the same rating. And now I'm going to solder it on, ensuring correct polarity. Then I'm going to clip the excess leads and test the continuity with my multimeter to make sure I didn't get any cold solders and that everything is connected properly. Now I'm going to reassemble the TV, adding back on the board I worked on, and then closing up the clamshell, and we'll see if it works. I like to test it all closed up because it's safer that way. Now we'll add the clamshell and try it out. And the TV does turn on, which is a great feeling, and it is fixed. So I'll leave you with a little bit of its operation. Thank you for watching.
Just fell off. Oh dear. You can't get out. We just lift it up. There you go. You just have to drive like that. James can just say you've done 3 miles.